I'm going to 12. Which floor are you going to?
Pardon me?
Which floor are you going to?
8.
8? Okay. I'm just saying.
You hit 12.
Oh, my bad.
It's alright, it's alright.
I'm just doing elevator film, that's all. I'm doing nothing wrong here.
Son, I don't care what you're doing, man. As long as you're not hurting me, I don't care.
I'm not hurting anyone. I'm just filming this. Oh, well, you get one extra stop.
Oh, I pushed the wrong one too. I pushed 9. Oh, my fault. Thanks, son.
Thanks, son. You're good. Fill it up. We're stopping again at 8. This lane does get busy because we're not too far from the CTA station. Oh, you welcome back.
Yeah, I gotta go back.
Oh, fuck.
Where are we at here?
I pushed it to 1, so.
Oh, you did? Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
No, I just ran up here to grab a couple bucks out of my truck.
Oh, damn. What are you shopping for?
Just a couple beers.
Oh, damn. Gotta drink away that liquor from that virus.
Hey, according to them, if you're a drinking person, man, you're least likely to.
Yeah. That's what I heard. Bye-bye.